Alright, I got a nice package here from MBombay. What could it be here? Let's check it out. Woo! Nice packing job here. Wow, they did a really good job in shipping this here. Woo! Look at that. My cat came to help again. Let's see here. Wow, look at that. From MBombay Cigars, the Moro Salomon. Beautiful shape. Look at that gorgeous wrapper, too. And the band, wow. Looks like it says the wrapper is Dominican Republic, binder is Ecuadorian, and the filler is Ecuadorian, Peruvian, and Dominican. 6x58, and the body is 4 out of 5. So it should be pretty pretty strong cigar. Look at that. I love that band. It's like has this golden embossed kind of look to it. I don't know if you could see that. It's gorgeous. I love the salmon shape. Soloma. That's gorgeous. I can't wait to review this, guys. Thank you so much for sending it. And I'll probably put it in the humidor for a couple of weeks here. Got plenty of stuff to review. And yeah, stay tuned for more. Alright, so I just went to the website for MBombay. It's bombaytobak.com. Spelled T-O-B-A-K. And the Mora has moist earth, cocoa powder, and a meaty expression of sweet hazelnuts. Hazelnuts are like my favorite thing in coffee. The Mora is a smoking experience that will provide the connoisseur with a consistent transition of smooth, rich flavors. That's a gorgeous cigar. Well, I think I have the Salomon Perfecto there. Although that Torpedo looks really good too. Oh, look at that Lancero. Anyway, this website has all kinds of great stuff. You could see all the different blends they have. And they actually have quite a bit of different things. That Oscuro looks really good. Pretty awesome. Alright, you guys check it out later. Thanks for watching.